Hello friends, in today's video, we will learn one of the most important Linux commands used as a system administrator, cybersecurity analyst, the Grep command. Grep help you to search file, logs and text quickly. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how Grep works and how to use it confidently. Let's move to the section 1. What is Grep? Grep stands for Global Regular Expression Frame. In the simple word, it search text, match patterns. It print line that contain those patterns. Think of Grep as your Linux search engine. Fast, powerful, and extremely flexible. So, in the session 2, we will see basic grep uses. Let's start with the simplest syntax grep pattern and file name. Grep search line by line, not word by word. We will see here. I open my terminal. Grep root slash etc slash passwd. Enter. So, grep will show me every line in the file that contain the word root. So, here you can see there are two lines in the slash etc pass wd in root. So another session is case insensitive search. Sometimes you don't care about uppercase and lowercase. That time you can use -i option. So here we can, if we want to find uppercase letter or small lowercase, so we can find anything using -i option. So let's see in the terminal. Suppose grave -i error. I have one file here. So you can see here error in capital, in small lower letter or both. So you can get every match or anything using -i option. It's case insensitive search. Now let's move to the session 4. Count match. To count how many lines match patterns, here we can use -c option. This is extremely helpful in cybersecurity log analysis. For this, you can use these commands for checking the logs. We will see in the terminal. Suppose I want to count how many matches. So I can use grep -c error grep.txt. Enter. Here we can get one match. And if I place here -i option as well, here we get 3 count 1, 2, and 3. Let's move to the session 5. Show line numbers. To display the line numbers where the match occurred, we can use -n option. So grep -n. The keyword is SSH in authentication. Using these commands, we will get how many lines available in authentication log. The keyword is SSH used. So we will see in the simple file grep -c error grep.txt. So here we get one line. So here I want to find error 1. Here I get the line that word contain error. So in this session 7 we will learn exact word match. So in that case we can use -w option to match whole word. I open my terminal here and show you grep -w error 1 in. So here I get the exact word. These avoid matching words like small letter error, and lowercase or uppercase anything. In session 8, we will learn invert match to print the line that do not contain the pattern. Grep-V option is used for to show do not contain the pattern, and this is great for filtering the noise. So I open my terminal here and show you. Clear my screen. Suppose grep-v error 3 in grep.txt. Here, to show the line that do not contain the pattern, error 3. And this pattern is actually present in this file. So this is very perfect for filtering out the noise. So we will move to the next sessions. Regular expressions. Grep become extremely powerful. So here we can see in the terminal, I move to the terminal here. Grep become extremely powerful when you use the regular expressions. Suppose grep in double quote root slash etc slash passwd. So here we see the start of the line. If we have to see the end of the line, we can use grep in double quote bash dollar sign for the end slash etc slash passwd. So here we get the line that end with the keyword bash. Now, if we want to match digit, so I create the file here first of all, or I just open my previous file, grep.txt, and enter the numbers. Now, we can use grades in double game. 1, 2, 3. Grep.txt. Here we get the number 1, 2, 3 in this file. If we want to match multiple patterns, then we can use grep -e option. Hyphen capital E option is used for multiple pattern. So in double here, I search the keyword error by my and my. So here we get to find multiple patterns in the using the same command. So grep-e and put any errors or pattern that you want to search. You can use using the pipe and file name. In session 10, cybersecurity log analysis examples. You have a task to complete all these given examples. So let's see. First example is find fail SSH login. Second, find successful login. Third, find login attempt from a specific IP. Fourth, count brute force attempt. And fifth, extract username. Once you completed these examples, please let me know in the comment, and if you are able to solve these problems or not, please comment me. And now we move to the next session. In session 11, we will see grep with pi. So I open my terminal here and show you. Pipe. Great. So find the running SSH process. Using this command, we will find the running SSH process. Now, if we have to filter the network connection, next step. So, using this command, we can filter the network connection. And if we want to remove the unwanted lines, H, 5, grades, hyphen B, here we get or remove the unwanted lines. If we see df-h command, here we get the output and we remove temp fs, this line. So this is using Grep with pipes. We can use Grep with our command to find a particular line, match the patterns, etc. So let's move to the session 12. So hyphen I option, it is for the ignore case. Hyphen N option, it is used for to show line numbers. Hyphen C, it is for the count match. Hyphen R, it is for the recursive search. Hyphen W, it is the whole word search. And hyphen V, it is for invert match. Hyphen capital E, it is extended regression. Hyphen small o, it is for print only match text. And hyphen p, it is used for Perl regression. So, in the session 13, we will see final exam tips. Understand the basic syntax, regression patterns, flag like hyphen I, hyphen V, hyphen R, hyphen C, and searching the logs. Combine the grep with pipe and extract the specific field. If you master this, you will easily answer any grave question. And this is one of the most important topic in the Linux system administrator as well as it must ask question in the interview. So make sure to complete all these tasks I give you. So and let me know in the comment, do you completed this task or not? Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.